Assalamu alaikum, dear kids. I'm Ahmad, and today, on behalf of Madani Islamic Academy, I'm going to tell you the beautiful story of Independence Day. So come along with me on a journey to the day Pakistan was born.
The story that gave us our beloved homeland, Pakistan.
Children, on 14 August 1947, Pakistan became free. This day reminds us of the sacrifices of our elders. Quaid-e-Azam and millions of Muslims struggled to get us this country.
Let's all decorate the school together. This is our Pakistan. It should look beautiful. These flags, these lights, they show our joy.
Abu, I'm putting up the flag. Our rooftop should also shine with the colors of freedom.
Assalamu alaikum. Today, we celebrate Independence Day, a reminder of the sacrifices made by our elders to give us a free homeland. Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah gave us a dream, a free Pakistan. Let us promise to love our country, work hard, and make it prosper. Pakistan Zindabad!
Blessed be the sacred land. May our beautiful country always prosper. It is the identity of us all, our beloved Pakistan. Pakistan Zindabad! Today, we learned that 14th August is a day of sacrifice, freedom, and gratitude. We love Pakistan and promise to be good citizens. Pakistan Zindabad.
If you enjoyed this story and lesson, you can learn many more beautiful stories and teachings. You can also contact us at +44 7480 676 283. Website www.MadaniIslamicAcademy.com. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more interesting videos. Thanks.